How to manage and edit your profile on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to edit your profile on Google Maps, it's easy and fast. Go to Google Maps, this is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture here in the top. And now on this page, click on your profile option right here and it will take you to this page. Now right here you can edit your profile from here. As you can see, you can change the name and the photo, and you can add the bio if you want, and after you finish editing, click on save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.